Guys, so today I thought I would bring you guys along as I work on some new designs for the shop. So let's set everything up. In today's video, we're going to work on the Koya fish, Sailor Moon bow, and the Grinch heart. But yeah, basically, I'm trying to post a lot more on here behind the scenes. It's just, to be honest with you, it's a lot easier to post on Instagram stories. It's finally done. Let's cut these out and start the other design. But yeah, so basically after the second heart I realized, you know what, this green is super light, so I went with this darker green. So yeah. Okay, so I bought this little like mini thread cutter for the little like small like jump stitches. I don't know if it's like worth the money, to be honest with you. But I'll link it down below if you want one of these. Okay, so right now I'm just cutting them out by hand because I currently don't own a laser machine. That would be so awesome to have in the future, but for right now we're cutting them by hand. But yeah, I think this one's came out so cute. See, I'll be right back once I'm done cutting these, and we're gonna work on the Sailor Moon bow. The Sailor Moon bow, I wanted to use this sparkly fabric. I feel like in the camera you can't see it, but it's really pretty in person. So I'm gonna quickly make a patch. This one is done. Let me take it out of the hoop right now. So yeah, obviously this is really cute on a sweater, but I just wanted to test out the file and see how it turned out. But first, let me hoop the last one. I'm just gonna do again a small patch and test out the file and see how it turned out right now. So yeah, I basically keep posting on Instagram. I know people don't really like Instagram anymore, but it just makes it a lot easier to post everything that I'm doing with learning how to make my own embroidery files, and obviously like learning how to use my embroidery machine. I think like 10:30 at night, so I need to go to bed, but I want to test out at least the file and see how it turned out. So we're just making one patch right now. Let me input the colors and I'll be back in a bit. So normally I do like to go with the lighter on the edges, you know, to burn off the little fussy parts of the felt. But yeah, this came out so cute. Let me know you guys are BTS fans, part of the ARMY fandom. Let me know. But yeah, this is RM's little character that he created for the BT21 line. So yeah, oh, so cute. Okay, let me lastly show you the Sailor Moon bow. We're done for today. Let me turn that off. And lastly, I think this came out so cute. I obviously want to embroider this directly on a sweater, but I'm currently waiting on my order to be delivered. The only thing is, I think next time I'm gonna do this part, this shading part with the bottom of the bow, a darker red, so you can actually see the difference, because I know the fabric is a lot darker than the thread, so I need to go through my stash and find a darker red. But yeah, I think the center looks really cool though. But yeah, that was my day. Thank you for coming along. If you would like to see more, I'll, I guess, post more, but also, like I said earlier, I'm on Instagram all the time on Instagram stories. So yeah, anyway, see you on the next one. Bye.